Hi everyone, my name is Christine. In this video, I will show you how to transform your hair like Jennie's new hair from their new music video called How You Like That. If you're interested in the result, just keep watching till the end. Alright, first step, don't wash your hair for a couple of days. If you can, 1 to 2 days is great. Doing so will actually protect your hair from the bleach. Next, we're just going to brush our hair and make sure that there are no tangles. And then after that, we're just going to select all these strands that we're going to bleach. And then we're just going to tie the remaining hair at the back. I will be using this 9% Volume 30 Oxidizer from Lavish Hair, and along with that, their bleaching powder. And don't forget to wear gloves. Pour half of the oxidizer into a bowl and also half of the bleaching powder. Mix that well till we get this kind of consistency. And now pray that this is not going to fail. I do prefer using my hands for more control, but you can use a brush if you want. Now start from the middle section towards the end. Also make sure to leave the roots first. It is actually okay to put more than to put less so that you will have an even bleach. Now grab a foil, but before we wrap our hair, we're just gonna spray a bit of water to add a bit of moisture. Repeat all steps on the other side. Now we're going to wait for 40 minutes, but make sure to check your hair once in a while to make sure it's still okay. After 40 minutes, we're going to put bleach on the roots of our hair and wait for another 20 minutes before washing our hair. Make sure to be very gentle while you wash your hair. And here are the results after bleaching. As you can see, there's a lot of orange tones, so we're going to use this hair color from BREMOD. Mix the remaining oxidizer and half of the hair color and put that all over your bleached hair. Wait for 40 minutes and wash it all off afterwards.
A few moments later.
And here is the result. Now we're just going to dye the back of our hair into black like Jennie's. I do actually like the combination of the brown and blonde, but I really wanted Jennie's hair too. So we're just going to dye our hair into black using this Revlon black hair dye. And now here are the actual results.
Ginagawa mo!
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe. You can also check out my other social media accounts for more content. And hey, let's be friends. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!